What's up friends, Amar here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate my entire business on LeadsLeap. You will be able actually to import and duplicate 5 of my best performing affiliate funnels developed on LeadsLeap and are proven to grab the attention of your visitors, develop interest and desire, and encourage them to take action. So what you will do is that you will use these done for you affiliate funnels to build a buyer's list, and you can also start getting results just like these. And the best part is that when you get your 5 done for you affiliate funnels set up and ready to go, you don't have to promote each one separately. I developed for you a splash page, a special splash page that is called Earn While You Learn, and this is a demo. Actually, there is a video, a presentation video, and there are also here 5 small square banners that each one of them promotes one of your funnel. So if people click on the Learn button here, they will be taken to a capture page where they can submit their email address, so you are building your email list. But if they click on the banners themselves, they will be taken to that specific offer where you can make 50% commission. As you can see, you can stick your affiliate links to the buttons here, and you can link your capture pages to the Learn link below them. And on top of that, you can actually promote your favorite opportunity or your favorite offer at the bottom of this page. So if, for example, you are promoting Got Backup, or you can be promoting any other opportunity, you can just link it to this banner and this button here. So here is a live copy of the splash page that you will be getting with this package, and if I go a little bit down and I click on the Learn button here, you will see that I'll be taken to the capture page that you will get actually a copy just like this to build your email list. People will click here and submit their emails, and if I click on another, let me choose another funnel, this one for example, I click on Learn, and this is the capture page that you will be getting as well. So now if I click on the Learn button, I'll be taken to another capture page. If I try to click on the banner itself, I will be taken to the offer, and everyone that purchases the package from any sales page that you will be linking to your splash page, you will be making 50% commission throughout that specific funnel. So the goal of this page here is really to build your email list using these buttons here, and also make you 50% commissions on all these 5 funnels here. And on top of that, you can promote your favorite opportunity or favorite offer here. In this case, I'm using this offer itself because if I click here on this banner, it is actually the sales page of the 5 funnels package, but you can link your button or your banner to any opportunity that you will be promoting. Now let's see, when you grab the package, what you will get. So this is the thank you page that you will access to once you do the purchase. And in order to set up each funnel, you just click here on this button here to grab the share codes, and also to watch the setup video and follow it step by step to set up that specific funnel. So you will do that 5 times for each funnel. You will go through the training video and grab the share codes, import the pages, import the follow-up email series, and set them up one by one. To access the training for each funnel, you just click on these buttons here, and you will be brought to that specific thank you page where you can watch the training video and also learn how to set up that specific funnel. Now for the splash page, I will provide here a video and show you how exactly you can import and set up the splash page. So let's recap now. After you grab this package, you will have access to all the share code for the 5 done for you funnels by clicking on this button here. You will have access to the setup process for each one of the 5 funnels by clicking on these buttons here. And then after you set up all the funnels, you come to the step number 3, where you can duplicate the earn while you learn page that will allow you to promote the 5 funnels at once, plus your favorite opportunity or your favorite make money program. So the share code for the earn while you learn page, the splash page, will be provided here below the video. So grab that one and I will show you right now how to import it and customize it. So here I am on a LeadsLeap account, and what I want to do is go to the page manager at the left hand side here and then create a new page by clicking this button here. I will of course provide a name for this page. Let me just call it test, and then I will click here. Now to import the splash page, you click this button here, add a new design, and you copy and paste the share code right here. So I just did import it, and now I have my test page here. If I click on the link, this is what I will see. So I have an exact copy of the splash page I showed you before, and I can now go here at the bottom and stick my affiliate links for the 5 done for you LeadsLeap funnels here, and also I will stick my capture pages links on the learn here, and I will put my favorite opportunity on this banner and on this button here at the bottom. Of course, the footer here, you can of course customize the footer and put your own links. Now let me go to the LeadsLeap page and I will launch the editor so I can change inside the splash page, and I will go here at the bottom, click on this button here and provide the link to my Warrior Plus affiliate link for this specific funnel. You will get it from the Warrior Plus. So if I go back to the thank you page, you can see here, if I open this training page, you will see that you can duplicate your list and earn commission. This button here, you click on it, you will be taken to this page to buy, or you can click here to get your affiliate link, and this is exactly what we need. So you just request your affiliate link, it will be here, copy that affiliate link, copy it, and then go back to the editor, click this button and stick your affiliate link right here. You do the same for this page. Let me go to that page. For example, I will click here and I will be on the thank you page for that specific done for you funnel. I will click always on this link here to get your affiliate link, and here I am again on Warrior Plus, where I can request approval. You will be auto approved, and you will copy your affiliate link from this spot here, copy it, and then take it to the builder and stick it on the next button here. So these buttons will have your affiliate links from Warrior Plus to each and every done for you LeadsLeap funnel. Once you finish the installation, of course, of those funnels, you will have a capture page for each funnel to build your email list, of course. So you will go back here and select every learn button and copy and select this learn here, click the button, and then paste your capture page link right here. So you do this for all these 5 buttons here, and after that you will have actually to bring a banner of your favorite opportunity or your favorite make money online program and stick it here to this banner and to this button here. So if you click the banner, this is the place where you put your affiliate link for your favorite opportunity, and if you click on the button, same thing, this is where you put your affiliate link for your favorite opportunity, and always don't forget to save your changes. So you have your affiliate links for the 5 done for you funnels here that will allow you to make 50% commission on the entire funnels, and these learn here buttons will allow you to build your email list because people will submit their emails to access the training, and this is your favorite opportunity. Here is exactly where you promote it. So now, as you can see, I have a complete splash page. I can concentrate now my efforts to promote only one page, and chances that I will get subscribers from these or also commissions. And by the way, inside of each funnel of these funnels, there are other opportunities that will allow you to make recurring affiliate commissions, mostly traffic opportunities, and everyone needs traffic, so chances that you can make recurring commissions on the back end here. So thank you very much for watching the video, and if you have any questions, of course, go to the bottom of the thank you page right here. Go to the bottom, you will see the upgrades if you want to upgrade, and you can also get in touch with me right here. Thank you very much again, and have a great day.